Car rental operations today run on a mix of calls, WhatsApp, spreadsheets, and manual coordination. This leads to missed enquiries, delayed jobs, poor visibility, and rising operational costs. Moiboo is an end-to-end fleet operations and CRM platform built specifically for car rental and fleet companies. It replaces fragmented tools and manual processes with a single connected operational system. Every customer request, from calls, WhatsApp, email, or chat, is captured in one structured intake system. Customer care executives can instantly retrieve vehicle, vendor, and customer data and create jobs with complete and accurate information. Moiboo automatically classifies requests into non-recovery and recovery or breakdown cases, ensuring urgent jobs are immediately routed to the recovery team. The traffic team gets a real-time operational dashboard showing active jobs, vehicle movement, driver availability, and attendance. Drivers are assigned for self-drive, towing, and pickups from a single allocation screen. When a replacement vehicle is required, Moiboo automatically checks asset availability, updates fleet allocation, and manages the servicing workflow without manual intervention. Drivers and recovery teams operate entirely on mobile. Attendance, daily jobs, vehicle inspections, and job completion are captured digitally at the field level. Every vehicle inspection is recorded using digital checklists and mandatory photos, creating accurate, tamper-proof inspection records. When vehicles are sent to workshops or tow vendors, job orders are created directly through the workshop mobile app, capturing vehicle details and mileage at arrival. Workshops raise quotations digitally, which customer care or admin teams review and approve through a structured workflow, including full, partial, or rejected approvals. Workshop managers get complete visibility into every vehicle, from check-in to repair progress, estimated ready dates, and upcoming workshop jobs. Management gets a real-time dashboard showing operational costs, job volumes, vehicle status, productivity, and incentives, all exportable for reporting and analysis. Beyond day-to-day operations, Moiboo also manages fleet records, agreements, maintenance alerts, recurring billing, profit per vehicle, and accounting aligned with standard regulatory and tax compliance requirements. Moiboo replaces disconnected tools with a fully digital, real-time, and rule-based operational platform. Drivers and recovery teams submit tolls, fuel, parking, and damage claims directly from the mobile app with photo evidence, ensuring nothing is missed or disputed. Driver and recovery incentives are calculated automatically once jobs are completed, eliminating manual Excel calculations and disputes. Management gets a real-time dashboard showing total operational cost. For a typical fleet operation, Moiboo delivers measurable financial impact. With significant annual operational savings, a payback period of under 2 months, and nearly 3 times return within 1 year, Moiboo delivers rapid and sustainable ROI. Moiboo gives car rental and fleet businesses complete operational control, higher productivity, and scalable growth without increasing headcount.